This 2026 Jayco Comet 18C is a Class B RV. It is located in Alachua, FL 32615 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gainesville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2026 Jayco Comet 18C is built on a RAM ProMaster 1500 cargo van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.